What's up, guys? Welcome to another market forecast. Um, so let's start with the news. I'm gonna tell you guys beforehand that I'm not interested in trading today. The market narrative is not good. All right. So for you guys that don't have much time to watch the whole video, that's the forecast. So don't trade today. Anyways, let's go to today's news drive. Um, while we are on your cool zone, we're not gonna have high impact news until 10 a.m. All right, we're gonna have 7:30 a.m. high impact news, mid impact news. ECB President Margaret speaks, so it's gonna be a speech. Keep that in mind. But anyways, high impact news, but we're only gonna have it on USD 10 a.m. New York local time. And regarding news, that's it. Let's go to the actual market narrative, the actual market forecast. All right, so let's break it down. On the monthly time frame on DXY, we have a fair value gap. All right, so that makes us think that price on DXY is moving higher. Okay, on the weekly time frame, we don't have anything that we should be aware of. On the daily time frame, we had a fair value gap right here that seems to not be respected. Price is not showing a good reaction. It showed a good reaction on Tuesday, on Wednesday, but on Thursday it has not shown that reaction. All right, it closed above this fair value gap, but actually we were expecting this because if we consider the market hierarchy between the time frames, we're going to see that on the monthly time frame, if we have a reason to move up, the on the lower time frames, the reasons to move down are going to be disrespected because of the higher time frame hierarchy. So you have to keep that in mind. Um, so on the daily time frame, as expected, this fair value gap is not respected. We have a candle closure above this fair value gap. So I believe we're going to move up. All right. It's very likely that we're going to move up. On the 12 hour, nothing that we should be aware of. On the 4 hour, we have a bullish order block. All right. And this would be as a point of interest. Okay. And on the like it's down here inside of this fair value gap, so it would work as an inverted fair value gap. But on the 1 hour, we also have a bullish order block that supports the idea of that 4 hour bullish order block. Right. We also have an inverted fair value gap right here, which price respected, and then it went up. So right now, maybe we can work with this inverted fair value gap. Let's go to Euro USD, and now pay attention because it's the time that makes me not interested in trading today. So let's break it down for the monthly down, right? So monthly says we're moving down. We already have a nice reaction to this fair value gap, but keep in mind that we may come back to this fair value gap since it's a very high time frame. It's the monthly time frame of fair value gap. So we still have like 20 days until this candle closes. So we'll probably see it coming back and then coming down again. I don't know. But of course, it's likely that we also see just a movement down. All right. It's not because it's the monthly fair value gap. It's going to be like all the way up inside here, like sideways. No, we just have to see what the market is delivering us on the lower time frames. But on the monthly time frames, we know that the bias is bearish. Okay, on the weekly time frame, nothing that we should be aware of. Daily time frame, um, yeah, we had this bearish order block right here. But anyways, this is the bearish fair value gap of the monthly time frame, which we reacted down. And actually, we were expecting a bearish week, all right? And this would be enough for a bearish week. Like the week is already closing, so this would be enough. I wouldn't find it weird if price closed inside of this fair value gap. Okay, so keep that in mind. So if we consider the power of three, I would say that we already had the manipulation phase, accumulation, and now we're probably on the distribution phase. So it means that this candle will create a wick. all right, because of the distribution. Players are taking out their profits, so we may see an upwards movement today, all right. Uh, but the thing is, the main problem with this market narrative is on the 4-hour time frame. We have this bullish order block that price respected on Tuesday, Wednesday, and on Thursday, and also Friday today. Okay, and this already makes me very not interested with trading regarding trading the markets today because Euro USD is telling us to buy. All right, it's respecting this bullish order block. Actually, it just entered on the tip of the order block, and we already saw a huge bullish movement. So I'm not interested in selling Euro USD now, but at the same time, so in thesis, we would be, in theory, we will be interested in buying Euro USD. And for buying Euro USD, we would like to see a bearish DXY, okay? But we're not seeing bearish DXY. Actually, on the 4-hour, we saw this displacement up to this buy side liquidity, all right? And now we, as I told you guys before, we are expecting a type of bounce movement to this zone to actually continue moving up, all right? Which supports the idea that the overall bias on the Euro USD is bearish. But this 4-hour bullish order block, since it has been really respected, for me, it means that we're not going to have a good sell today, except from high impact news volatility. Okay. And of course, since we don't trade high impact news, and the only uh, thing that may make the market move down in a very aggressive way is today's news drive. So it makes me not interested in trading today. All right. And of course, on the 4-hour time frame, we have this fair value gap right here that was formed. So it also validates the idea that we may move down, but I'm not selling down to the zone. Okay. Maybe, but just maybe, we can get a sell from here, some zone, to here. All right. But it's kind of low probability. Okay, if we start seeing a bearish movement, maybe we could consider trading down. And price on the 1-hour time frame is on a bearish order block right here. But this bearish order block is very huge, so I probably won't be trading today. I think I will only be studying or play video games. Anyways, so regarding the market forecast, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please, if you like the video, like it down below. If you like the channel's content, like it, subscribe to it, please. And that's it. Be aware of 10 a.m. New York local time, high impact news on USD. Okay. Be careful with selling euro because we are in a range right now. Okay. I would like to see price getting out of that range before doing anything. So, anyways, that's it. Be careful, trade safe. I wouldn't trade today. I don't think I will trade today, to be very honest. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have fun, trade safe. Bye.